I was a counselor at Camp Yeshiva. I was the music counselor.
Yes.
And usually what they do at those camps is to teach them the popular songs. But I was very into Mambo music because um, I worked on the beach chairs all summer long in Atlantic City. And in the hotels behind me, the best Latin bands would come to play for the Jews because the Jews were into Mambo dancing. That was a big hit. And Tito Puente came to play there. I remember one day. Anyway, there was a boy I was working with who played conga drums, and I would play guitar, and he taught me how to do Latin music. So when I went to this camp, I said, we're going to learn how to play mambo. So I gave them rhythm instruments and so forth, and taught them. I remember one song I told them, sit down, you're rocking the boat, sit down. And they're playing congas, drums, and cowbells and everything. And that's the kind of music we prepared for Parents' Day. When the parents heard us playing mambo music, they got up and danced and so forth. So it was a big hit. So that's the kind of counselor I was.